What's Toasting में I would love to introduce you to our guest on set जिनका नाम है हसन अरशद. He's Director of Policy and Communications at Food Panda. Welcome to the show.
Thank you very much for having me.
It's great to have you as well. So आज हम लोग खास बात करेंगे about the impact assessment of Food Panda that's been going on. So first tell us about what's really going on.
Sure.
Yeah.
So Food Panda has been operating in Pakistan for 10 plus years. We're obviously sort of, mashallah, a household name now. And
Yes.
what we wanted to do was to really see, what is the impact that we're creating on the local economy. And for this, we commissioned an independent study with LUMS, one of the most reputable institutes in Pakistan. And they did this assessment for us. And it was essentially looking at more technical aspects, over the last 3 years. And alhamdulillah, they found that for FY 2023-2024, the impact was $1.2 billion.
$1.2 billion.
Yes, which is a huge number. I mean, if you compare it to the GDP of that timeline, it's roughly, just short of 0.5% of the GDP.
Oh.
So this...
So how interesting. So basically, अगर आप बात करते हो impact assessment की, so what exactly are we looking at? What kind of data are we looking at? हमारी findings क्या थी? वो हमें किस तरीके से help करेंगी?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
So basically, you can rely on different sources of data. This was looking at primary data, which is basically looking at, interviews, surveys, and then secondary data to actual Food Panda ka financial data.
Yeah.
So we used all of that data, put that in a technical model, which is basically input-output model, जो एक economist की term है basically, but they look at sector linkages, forward and backward linkages. So if you spend X amount, let's say, in one sector, how does that amount feed into multiple other sectors? These input-output multipliers exactly capture that.
अच्छा.
So, उस तरह एक technical assessment model के through ये assessment exactly आई. Yeah, this includes everything, so the economic opportunity for tens of thousands of riders, for home chefs, for restaurants, वो सारी encapsulate करके
मतलब job creation भी आ गई आपकी, broader internship.
Absolutely. It completely includes everything, Ji. And then...
and the gig economy as well, I'm assuming.
Exactly, Ji. The whole essence is to show how important gig economy is to the fabric of Pakistan's economy.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. अच्छा, तो basically इसका key significance क्या है? Country की digital economy में हमने क्या changes face किए हैं? What have we learned from it?
Ji. So I think significance है कि digital economy is integral to the fabric, as I said earlier. And there needs to be policy making that helps improve that sort of environment, creates ease of business, and leads to policy which is actually supportive of the business growth. I think your strategy, in as much as it's important for Food Panda, it's also very important for Pakistan to show to the world that Pakistan's open for investment, and there's huge opportunity here. If you come, you put in the effort to invest, build the marketplace, and then growth will come, with time. Yeah.
तो आपको लगता है कि हमारा digital infrastructure या overall inclusive किस्म का थोड़ा और system हुआ है because of this? Do you feel like as if youth employment हुई है? I believe there were two people from Food Panda who came in earlier as well, and they were talking about home chefs.
जी.
जिससे भी काफी फर्क पड़ता है.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I mean, there's no question about it. Pakistan, if you look at it, 60% of the population is below the age of 35.
Yeah.
Data penetration is high, mobile penetration is high. So absolutely. Youth empowerment, whether it's home chefs, whether it's entrepreneurs budding on the ancillary segment. So bilkul hui hai, and I think that's exactly what we need.
What you're aiming for as well, right? Achha, ye multiplier effect kya hai, considering that you are a Warwick graduate yourself, and I believe you have a background of strategy, right? So how is that strategy helping us understand कि multiplier effect क्या है? हमारी broader economy को कैसे affect कर रहा है?
Sure. So I've actually done this work previously in my previous life in London and Dubai, and the essence is you want to show what are those linkages and how can you harmonize those linkages. So input-output multiplier actually काफी technical term है, but it's not very well developed in markets like Pakistan.
Okay.
And we're working with LUMS, we actually fine-tune that and make this study repetitive, let's say over the next 5 years.
Achha.
Because it then really encapsulates every year kya impact hua of policy amendments that were within the year.
So
we're excited because also 23-24 की study है, so it's already 1 year dated technically. The current number is probably much higher than
much higher because the trend is generally upward as well, right?
Absolutely.
अच्छा, तो आपको लगता है कि ये Food Panda का जो platform है वो enable करता है diversification with from traditional restaurants to home chefs as well? Right, I've interviewed a couple of home chefs as well, right? So they did have a couple of informal interview, not on live television.
Okay.
तो उसमें भी मैंने notice किया है कि इतना easy seamless process नहीं होता. I think थोड़ा back and forth होता है उसके अंदर भी. So जो issues कुछ औरतें घर में face कर रही हैं as home chefs, so how can they make the process more seamless as well. Perhaps you can help us too.
No, absolutely it does, Ji. I think the idea is, Ji, I don't think there are many opportunities for women who want to sit at home and earn a livelihood.
Of course,
I think this exactly does that. So transition दोनों तरफ से होती है, Ji. We've seen some restaurants or women sort of take it private on a kitchen, you know, at home. And actually there's some women who scale their kitchen at home to become a restaurant. So, you know, it's actually empowering them to do that.
Absolutely.
So one of the numbers actually which is super interesting is that average house, you know, home chef income, which is around 7,000 plus home chefs, is 120,000 PKR plus that number. So it's a sizable number, you know, home chefs 70-80% are women. So, you know, घर बैठ के एक आपको platform मिल रहा है, which is very scalable, you know, makes a lot of sense.
Absolutely, and I think that really empowers them and a wide range of entrepreneurs overall.
Absolutely.
आपकी youth भी हो गई, आपकी gender inclusion भी हो गई. Absolutely. अच्छा, आपको क्या लग रहा है कि Food Panda long term sustainability पे किस तरीके से काम कर रहा है और ये gig economy के partners किस तरीके से?
Sure. देखिए जी, interesting ये है कि as I said, we've been here for 10 plus years. Pakistan's one of the fastest growing markets. We're owned by a German company, you know, and we operate across 70 countries. Pakistan's one of the countries that's actually growing significantly. So, I mean, we see a very sustainable future here. We're committed to investing and growing. And obviously creating that space that's inclusive, not just for riders, home chefs, for restaurants, but also for other businesses.
So, are you guys giving loans as well? And is there any insurance partnerships and all? Is that something you plan to do later on, because I think ये भी एक option.
Insurance बिल्कुल है जी, हमारे riders are covered for health insurance, accident insurance, you know, injury is covered for them. I mean, mobile theft, for example, in cities like Karachi, unfortunately, is very high. That's also covered. Loans we don't do directly, ji, but we've got third-party partners who do financing, you know, for mobiles, for bikes, and that's actually scaling very well.
Very well.
So we are super excited where that goes. Basically, EVs पे भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, जहाँ हम EVs की financing कर रहे हैं.
अब तो वो eventually sustainability में फिर आप climate change
clicks in on the sustainability part.
Actually, and what about digital upscaling of their skills and all as well? You know, I feel like, you know, it's important as well that we're upgrading them too. वो भी होता है?
बिल्कुल होता है जी. We do trainings with government bodies as well, private entities as well, in their skill set basically to help them improve. But we also have provided opportunities for actually, you know, there's an instance where one of our riders actually became a full-time employee of Food Panda.
Oh.
So he was upskilled to the extent that he became sort of involved in managing rider engagements.
How amazing. So मतलब upgrade of skills as well and upgrade of pay scale as well, obviously.
Absolutely, बिल्कुल जी जी.
किस तरीके से, you know, Food Panda एक sustainability की तरफ भी जा रही है. And how is it कि, you know, ये पॉजिटिव सोशल और इकोनॉमिक फ्रेंडली इनिशिएटिव्स भी लेती है, तो किस तरह के इनिशिएटिव्स ले रही है फूड पैंडा?
बिल्कुल, हमारा जी डिलीवरी हीरो का एक सस्टेनेबिलिटी टारगेट है जो ग्लोबल है. वो पाकिस्तान में भी लोकलाइज होता है. हमने उसमें पाकिस्तान में भी हमारे इनिशिएटिव्स हैं, काफ़ी सारी चीज़ों पे हम काम करें. 2-3 एग्जांपल्स मैं आपको दे देता हूँ. हमारी पैकेजिंग जो मार्ट्स की है वो कम्प्लीटली रिसाइक्लेबल है. हम प्लास्टिक यूज़ नहीं करते 100%. हमने ईवीज़ की तरफ भी ट्रांजिशन किया. इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक्स हमारे राइडर्स के लिए हम एक प्रोग्राम ला रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो फाइनेंस कर सकते हैं ईजी इंस्टॉलमेंट्स पे कि अपनी कन्वेंशनल जो है कंबस्टन ड्रिवन बाइक से वो इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक्स पे जाएं.
बहुत अच्छी.
दैट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट. सिमिलरली हमने काफ़ी सारे काम एक्चुअली इनिशिएटिव CSR में किए हैं. पाकिस्तान में भी बाहर भी ट्री प्लांटेशंस एक रेगुलर इनिशिएटिव है हमारा. हमने गाज़ा में भी अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह सपोर्ट किया थ्रू आवर प्लेटफॉर्म पे भी. वर्ल्ड फूड प्रोग्राम के थ्रू हमने गाज़ा में फंड्स भिजवाए जो कि यू नो अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वाज क्वाइट इंपैक्टफुल.
So, you know, I think obviously, you know, CSR का आप लोगों का जो मॉडल है, that is मतलब, you know, very it has definitely given a social impact as well. What about food donations and for women? Are you focused on youth and women अलग से as well in some way? कुछ होता है
बिल्कुल जी. So women to be do हम उनको their plans to उनको हम loans दें as part of the home chef program. Youth को जैसे मैंने कहा बाइक्स का हम already कर रहे हैं. There are other business development initiatives जो parallel में चल रहे हैं.
वो भी.
I think हमारा CSR का and I look after that. So हमारे लिए काफ़ी important है and resonates हमारे बिजनेस के साथ.
बिजनेस के साथ बिल्कुल. अच्छा, आपको लगता है कि you know पाकिस्तान की मार्केट में क्या चैलेंजेस हैं और हम कहाँ पे ग्रो कर सकते हैं?
बिल्कुल. चैलेंजेस अनफॉर्चुनेटली हैं जी, लेकिन ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी भी बहुत ज़्यादा है. आई मीन हम अपने बिजनेस मीटिंग्स में जब हम बैठते हैं हम समझते हैं कि हमने बिल्कुल सरफेस को टैप किया है. यू नो देयर स्टिल ह्यूज अपॉर्चुनिटी जिसको हम टैप करना चाहते हैं. इंशाल्लाह करेंगे. चैलेंजेस देखिए जी पॉलिसी मेकिंग के हैं, चैलेंजेस मैक्रो अनसर्टेनिटी के हैं, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट के साथ हम बड़ा एक क्लोज नेट काम करते हैं. पॉलिसी मेकिंग पे गवर्नमेंट के साथ डिस्कशंस भी होती हैं, डिलिब्रेशंस भी होती हैं.
So what about digital adaptation as well? Do you feel like as if पाकिस्तान में अगर हम लोग digital market ज़रा ज़्यादा या digital ज़्यादा अच्छे तरीके से अगर लेते तो don't you think कि हमारी growth ज़्यादा होती? आपको लगता है कि over year हमारी digital understanding बेहतर हुई है?
आई थिंक बिल्कुल बेहतर हुई है
और होगी
एब्सोल्युटली होगी जी मोबाइल पेनिट्रेशन डेटा पेनिट्रेशन नंबर्स अगर आप उठा के देख लें इट्स एक्चुअली बीन ऑन एन इंक्रीजिंग ट्रैजेक्टरी सो बिल्कुल होगी एंड वी आर राइडिंग ऑन दैट टाइड वी आर एक्साइटेड कि ये आगे कहाँ जाएगा इंशाल्लाह
ठीक है एंड यू नो हाउ डू यू यूज दीज इनसाइट्स जो भी आपने सीखा है या समझा है हाउ कैन यू से और टेल अस समथिंग दैट वुड रियली हेल्प अस एज वेल like what the economy can perhaps do to contribute towards it, what people can perhaps do, maybe a message for the home chefs, maybe a message for the youth, anything that Food Panda can probably, you know.
जी, I think the message that जो हमारे लिए बड़ा important है जी, whatever we try and do it to our best of our ability. आपको you know ट्रस्ट डेवलप करना है और फोकस करना है अपने कस्टमर एंड यूजर पे एंड दैट विल नेचुरली ड्राइव ग्रोथ और इंशाल्लाह यू नो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी राइट नाउ विद द सिचुएशन एंड एक्साइटेड अबाउट आगे क्या आएगा
सो आगे आर वी एक्सपेक्टिंग समथिंग दैट इज गोइंग टू बी रियली यू नो do you want to tell us something that is going to be really changing for the economy and otherwise as well?
नहीं जी हम इंशाल्लाह पाकिस्तान पे हमारा फुल फोकस है पेरेंट कंपनी इज़ वेरी एक्साइटेड हम ग्रोथ पे डबल डाउन करेंगे एंड वी आर गोना गो इनटू न्यू capacity building avenues as well. So stay tuned. Food Panda is here to stay and inshallah grow local.
Absolutely, and I wish you all the best with that. अच्छा, one more thing. आजकल के ज़माने में जैसा budget भी जब हुआ था, taxes लगे थे, everybody was complaining about things. So what about this digital taxation? Do you think that makes a difference to you guys in some way as well?
I think it does जी जो government ने किया है we also understand government क्या achieve करना चाह रही है. I mean tax is important. You know it needs to be spread generally obviously and we appreciate that. I think उसको थोड़ा सा जो हमारी भी engagements हुई हैं government से we need to just streamline it a bit more कि you know you give room to grow. I mean local businesses को empower करना उनको support करना कि वो you know investment करें grow करें scale करें and when the right time comes then obviously everyone has to pay their fair share of taxes.
Of course.
And वो government के साथ हमारी engagement हुई है और अलहमदुलिल्लाह काफ़ी अच्छी engagement हुई है with different boards of revenues and हम excited.
So can we come to Panda Mart a little as well because I feel we haven't touched that at all. So how does that work with local suppliers and vendors as well?
Suji, it works like any other big sort of you know entity operating in the retail landscape. खाली फ़र्क ये है कि हमारी दुकानों में walk-ins नहीं हो सकते. It's only through the app. हमारे बड़े sort of standardized arrangements हैं. We obviously try and build a good detail of SKUs I mean in terms of products. So it's very streamlined. उनके साथ हमारी sustainable partnerships हैं and Panda Mart's actually alhamdulillah doing very well.
Very well, yeah. I mean absolutely. I think there are times when people are using it at 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning if they need something as well. So I think ये convenience तो बहुत ज़्यादा है.
Absolutely और affordability भी है.
Affordability भी है. You know I mean there have been so many times I've ordered cat food on it randomly just to feed a stray on the road and you know it's been there.
Yeah.
So I really do like that and also a message कि you know you can feed strays also.
बिल्कुल. I feed my dog, you know.
How lovely.
I use that regularly.
Yes, absolutely. And you know there's amazing because काफ़ी आपको material भी मिल रहा है kind of pet litter that you get as well is now easily available as well.
बिल्कुल.
अच्छा एक और चीज़ मैं अभी recently this is away from the topic but this is my general observation. मैंने अभी notice किया है कि recently बहुत frauds and scams भी हो रहे हैं. And these food apps are unfortunately targeted as well in some way or the other. Right? उसमें ये होता है कि हमने एक order दिया और वो रेस्टोरेंट से फ़ोन आया कि आपका ऑर्डर नहीं हुआ एंड देन द राइडर बीच में इंटरसेप्ट्स एंड समवन हैज़ बीन ट्राइंग टू I've heard of 2-3 such cases. ठीक है तो अब इसको हम कैसे डील कर रहे हैं?
I mean लेकिन जी unfortunately fraud हमारे मुल्क में है. Opportunity, you know, people use it unfortunately. हमारा जी the team is actually इस पे बड़ी close monitoring करती है basically. I think that if आपके साथ कुछ ऐसा हो within the app there is an help center. हम encourage करते हैं लोगों के help center में जाके आप इसको log करें because उस पे foreign actioning होगी. Customer is always right. So we obviously try and make sure कि जी उन चीज़ों को हम quickly resolve करें और customer के फ़ायदे में resolve करें to the best of our ability.
So yeah, but I do feel like कभी-कभी थोड़े-थोड़े delays आते हैं.
जी,
right?
I think delays आते हैं जी because अभी alhamdulillah you know we demand काफ़ी है हमारा rider number भी grow कर रहा है लेकिन demands actually काफ़ी तेज़ grow कर रही है. So we're trying to keep pace.
I can understand. So listen, so Hassan, if I were to ask you कि हम you know Food Panda पे कितने लोगों की livelihood support कर सकते हैं through the different models that you guys have. So if you had to give me a nice snapshot of what exactly the kind of difference you know Food Panda is making, what would you say?
जी, I mean the number is huge. अगर आप rider पे देख लें जी, 1,00,000-1.5 लाख राइडर रजिस्टर्ड है हमारे पास, जो काम प्लेटफॉर्म पे कर चुका है या कर रहा है।
और ये सारे क्या एक ही वक्त में काम कर रहे होते हैं?
नहीं, सारे एक वक्त में नहीं, एक्टिव राइडर काम होता है, बिकॉज सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ है जी, हमारे एम्प्लॉयज़ नहीं है, ये फ्रीलांसर्स हैं, अपनी मर्जी से आते हैं, अपनी मर्जी से जाते हैं। और हमारे एक्चुअली इस रिपोर्ट में जो सर्वे हुआ था उसमें 70% राइडर ने कहा था फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी जो है उनके लिए वो सबसे ज़्यादा
जरूरी है, बिकॉज़ उनकी सेकंड गिग इकोनॉमी की बात हो।
एग्जैक्टली, उनकी मर्जी है कब वो करना चाहें ना करना चाहें, जब डे ऑफ लेना है उनकी मर्जी है, बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, अगर हमें बड़े लेमैन टर्म्स में लोगों को समझाना पड़े गिग इकोनॉमी क्या होती है, वो किस तरीके से फायदा देती है, सो नाउ योर वर्क इकोनॉमिक्स कम्स इन।
गिग इज बेसिकली व्हिच इज डिफरेंट टू जो आपकी कन्वेंशनल एम्प्लॉयमेंट मॉडल है। द होल एसेंस गिग मॉडल का ये है कि जो लोग इसमें काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर नॉट योर एम्प्लॉयज, दे आर फ्रीलांसर्स। वो अपनी मर्जी से अपने टाइम पे अपनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी को सूट करके काम करेंगे। आपको अपनी सप्लाई डिमांड मैचिंग उस मॉडल को इनकॉर्पोरेट करके करनी है, ये कोर एसेंस है। ऑब्वियसली और बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं, इट्स ऑन डिमांड, that's the biggest thing, whenever you want tap of a button, आपको जो चाहिए आपको मिलेगा। और राइडर्स के लिए भी it's on demand, whenever they want to work they come and work.
How lovely is that? So it's like a very happy model if you think about it in a way, demand and supply in the real theoretical form.
बिल्कुल जी, हैप्पी मॉडल है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट को भी थोड़ा सा बिकॉज इट्स डिफरेंट टू कन्वेंशनल मॉडल, सो गवर्नमेंट उसको अब हम कर रहे हैं पंजाब सिंध दोनों में लेबर डिपार्टमेंट्स के साथ काम करें कि एक नई कैटेगरी बने जो इनको इनकॉर्पोरेट करे लेबर कोड के अंदर। तो उसमें हमने ILO भी इन्वॉल्व है, उसमें अच्छा काम हो रहा है काफी और इंशाल्लाह होता रहेगा।
Okay, great. Now wishing you all the best for Foodpunda and the diversification. Thank you for coming here and sharing your insights with us. It was really helpful. Thank you.
Thank you very much for having me. Thank you.
All right, guys. I hope आप लोगों ने enjoy किया ये segment and समझा and सीखा and देखा कि how companies are also responsible to make a difference on a larger scale. हम जिस दुनिया में रहते हैं, हम सब मिलके काम करते हैं और हमें जब support मिलता है तो economy भी बेहतर होती है।